giving me so much joy. I think we're good on the mirror tape. So I'm currently dressed like a dude, putting it back out the window. I am putting my whole Swiftie into this. Hey guys, welcome back. You guys are probably wondering why I decided to finally make a video again, or not, because the thumbnail and the title of the video. But as you can see, Steve Madden is having a Taylor Swift ERAS Tour giveaway. I really want to go to the ERAS Tour, but as you guys know, getting tickets for the ERAS Tour was not easy and not cheap, and I just can't afford to spend $22,000 on a Taylor Swift ticket. So I just cut my losses and took the L, but then I saw that Steve Madden is giving away tickets, and all you have to do is submit a video entry on TikTok. That being said, immediately my creative juices started flowing, and I decided I'm going to try and make a really unique video that will hopefully stand out and hopefully land me some Taylor Swift tickets, because I really want to go. It would mean so much to me. That's why I'm making today's video. And I know there's probably a ton of Swifties on YouTube, so I figured this would be just a fun little video to bring you guys along, and we'll see if it works out. We'll see. Hopefully I'll be able to make an ERAS Tour vlog for you guys. So for my video entry, I decided I'm going to base it solely around the You Belong With Me music video. It is my all-time favorite Taylor Swift song. I know that sounds basic, but You Belong With Me is so nostalgic for me. I have the most vivid memories of when I was little, jamming out to that song. I remember the first time I saw the music video. I am not ashamed to say that that is my favorite Taylor Swift song, because it is just tied to so many amazing childhood memories. What I'm thinking, my idea is that I'm gonna have me dancing around in the mirror with the Junior Jewel shirt on, singing with the hairbrush, dancing. I'm gonna try and get some clips from outside my window like it is in the music video, like the different angles. One of the things you have to include in your video is hashtag Steve is a Swiftie. So if you've seen the You Belong With Me music video, you know that her and her neighbor pass around the pieces of paper and pass notes, I guess you can say. So I'm thinking maybe on one of the notes I'll do like Steve is a Swiftie, and then yeah, and maybe I'll be the neighbor too. I don't know, I'm just spitballing ideas here. We'll see what I actually end up doing. And then I have a lot of Steve Madden bags and only 2 pairs of Steve Madden shoes. So I went to the mall yesterday and I bought brand new Steve Madden shoes for this video. So I really hope I win, but I do really like the shoes. And I'm thinking I'll have myself dancing around, all that stuff, and then maybe look at the shoes and then smile or something, I don't know. And then pick up the shoes and put them on, and then have a transition of like when the shoes are on, and then suddenly I'll be in my Taylor Swift ERAS Tour outfit, like in the ending of You Belong With Me, how she walks in the prom and she looks all cute. So that was the concept that I have for this video. That might have sounded a little bit confusing, but hopefully it all comes together. We will see. I'm really going all in because I really want to be at this concert. I know I'm gonna have the worst FOMO if I don't go. So let's get started on the progress. So if you guys have seen the You Belong With Me video, you know that there's the iconic Junior Jewel shirt. I'm gonna recreate this shirt, and that is what I'm currently doing right now. I have a plain white t-shirt, my fabric markers, and I'm starting on the collar line. I'm gonna try and make the t-shirt as accurate as possible, but we'll see. So I'm gonna continue working on the shirt, and then I'll come back to you guys. I'm actually really excited to make this video because I feel like it's one of those things they say heals your inner child. Like, I just feel like pretending to be Taylor in the You Belong With Me music video is going to be very healing for me. Ugh, I think the pattern is not going to match up. It's gonna have one little error. Hopefully no one will be able to tell, except for literally everyone who watches this video, because I just told you, but hopefully I can get away with it. Oh, I might just make it. I'm trying to squeeze this to make it work, because that's gonna piss me off if the pattern is wrong. Okay. I just realized I forgot that it's along the sleeves, the cuffs of the sleeves, so I'm gonna do those triangles before I start outlining in the black. Always make sure you put cardboard when you are painting or using fabric markers on t-shirts, because otherwise it could bleed through and we don't want that. So fun fact. This is giving me so much joy. Look, it's already going together. I am so excited. Now I just have to outline them in black, and I really hope the black doesn't bleed. We'll see. I'm on to writing Junior Jewels, and I really hope this comes out decent because my letter spacing is not the best. That's one thing my artistic abilities kind of lacks. I'm realizing that I did Junior way too low on the shirt. It should have been much higher, and that's gonna bother me, but now I just have to ride with it. Oh well. I've been doing this for so long that I need a snack break. I'm so hungry. Addicting, so good. But I'm putting the outfit together. I will show you. So in the video, she has the shirt on. Oh, I really wish this was higher, but whatever. She has the shirt on, and then she has plaid pajama pants. So I don't have the same color pajama pants, but these are plaid, so they will have to do. All right, time to set up the tripod. I have double tripods right now because I have you guys on this tripod, and then let's get the phone set up. Okay, I'm starting the progress of filming, really hoping it comes out how I have it in my head. We shall see. Here we go. Take one. Let's see what that looked like. I can do another take. I think we're good on the mirror takes. Now I'm gonna do some of the bed jam session and the running around the room. My camera's about to die, so you're not gonna see the bed jam session, but you'll see it on my TikTok, so it's fine. So I'm currently dressed like a dude is what you missed, because I had an idea to have Taylor and the neighbor passing notes, so I gotta be the guy. I gotta be that guy, you know? So this is the process that I've done, is I start videoing while it's inside, and then I pass the tripod out my window. I'm gonna do it one more time because last time I did I had a hat on, and that's just not the character. But let me fix the hair. Oh my god, this is so ridiculous. Watch me not win. Watch me not win. Okay, do I look like a hot dude? Here we go. I have ERAS tour, like are you going? And then I'm gonna have one that says no, sad face, and then we have but Steve is a Swiftie, and then I'm gonna point, and it's gonna be looking at the Steve Madden shoes, and then she's gonna put them on, and then she has to go to the ERAS tour. Yay! Hopefully I can execute on this idea. Probably should have finished filming as the Taylor character first before I got into this, but whatever. I am putting my whole Swiftie into this video, and I hope it pays off. Okay, here we go. Back out the window. I feel like I'm gonna try and put this together before I do my makeover for the ending, just to make sure the timing is good. Okay, so the first chunk is done, the beginning and the dancing and all that. Now it's time for me to get in my ERAS tour outfit. I'm so excited because I edited the first chunk of it, and it is coming out so much better than I expected, given that it's made by someone with no like actual film budget and not an actual set of a music video. I'm very proud of what I've done so far. Now I'm doing my hair and gonna get all dolled up and what my ERAS outfit would be with my Steve Madden shoes, and I'm so excited because this is actually coming out so much better than I expected, and I feel like I might have a real chance. I don't know. There are some great videos out there, but I actually think that this is pretty unique, and I'm so excited. I am so tired from doing that. That took so long and I finished. I'm a little bit bummed because the video I think is, again, for like low budget. I think it came out actually really unique and really great, but the ending was kind of mid because my outfit was kind of mid because, well, I'm not exactly expecting to go to the ERAS tour, so I don't have a really exciting ERAS outfit, so I kind of just had a white romper, but gotta make do with what I have. I'm really excited that I did this. I'm excited that I actually followed my vision and I went hard and I went all in and I put my heart and soul into this, and hopefully it will pay off. If not, it was fun. and I tried. But hopefully I will be seeing you guys at the ERAS tour. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me in making this video. I'm gonna put the video in the ending of this video so you guys can see it. But make sure to go over to my TikTok and tag Steve Madden. I would appreciate that so much. And yeah, it was so good filming. It's been way too long and I missed YouTube, so I'm really excited that I made a video today. 2 videos, one for TikTok, one for YouTube. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.